Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to add your location to your profile on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC with the latest update. Whether you want to let your followers know where you are or simply personalize your profile, these steps will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official X website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're on the home page, look at the left side menu. From there, click on the profile icon. This will take you directly to your profile page, where you can see all your posts, your bio, and your current profile details. Next, find and click on the Edit Profile button. This option is usually located near the top right of your profile page. Clicking it will open up the editing interface, allowing you to make changes to your profile information. Now, look for the field labeled Location. Click on this box to activate it and then type in the location you want to display on your profile. You can enter your city, state, country, or any location you prefer. This is a great way to let others know where you're tweeting from or to connect with people in your area. After you've entered your location, it's time to save your changes. Simply click the Save button, usually found at the bottom or top right of the editing window. Your profile will update instantly, and your new location will be visible to anyone who visits your page. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily add or update your location on your X profile using your PC. Keeping your profile information up to date helps your followers connect with you and adds a personal touch to your online presence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more guides for the latest tips and updates on X.